Good morning to dear student. Last time I have explained exercise 2.1 in chapter 2 polynomial. Now before I start exercise 2.2, I will explain the new topic, how to find the value of px at x equal to 1. Here we have the polynomial px equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7, and we have to find the value of px at x equal to 1. So how to find? So here we have px equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7, and we have to find the value of px at x equal to 1. So first of all, we have to substitute x equal to 1 in polynomial px. Therefore, p of x equal to 1 is equal to 5 into, substitute x equal to 1, so 1 square minus 3 into x equal to 1 plus 7. So therefore p1 equal to 5 into 1 square 1 minus 3 1 ja 3 plus 7 is equal to 5 1 ja 5 minus 3 plus 7. Now 5 plus 7, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. So p of 1 equal to 9. Now suppose we have px equal to x minus 1, this polynomial. This is the linear polynomial because the power of x is 1. Now if we find p of 1, that is substitute x equal to 1. So p of 1 equal to x equal to 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So here at x equal to 1, p of 1 equal to 0. So we can say that therefore x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial px. Or we can say that x equal to 1 is a root of the polynomial. 0 means root. X equal to 1 is a root of polynomial px. So root means if we put x equal to 1 here, so 1 minus 1, 0. So we can say that 1 is the root of this polynomial px. So if we put x equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So p of 1 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial px, or x equal to 1 is a root of polynomial px. Now exercise 2.2, question number 1. Find the value of polynomial px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. So first of all, we write px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now first we find the value of px at x equal to 0. Therefore p of 0 is equal to 5. Substitute x equal to 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3 is equal to, therefore 5 into 0, that is 0, minus 4 into 0 square 0, 0 into 4, 0 plus 3. Now 0 minus 0, that is 0, 0 plus 3, that is 3 is equal to 3. So p of 0 equal to 3. Now we find the value of px at x equal to minus 1. So p of, substitute x equal to minus 1, p of minus 1 equal to 5 into x equal to minus 1 minus 4 into x equal to minus 1 whole square plus 3 is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 square 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. Minus 1 square becomes positive because minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, and plus 1 into minus 4 plus 3. Now minus 5 minus 4 minus plus, that is minus 9, and minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 9 plus 3, that is 9 minus 3, 6, and the sign of large number, that is minus. Because minus plus, that is we have to find the subtraction. Minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. Minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. P of minus 1, substitute x equal to minus 1, and then we have to simplify. So minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. Now we have to find the value P0, P of 1, P of 2 for the polynomial P of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. So first we find the P of 0. So substitute y equal to 0 is equal to y equal to 0, that is 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Now 0 square 0 minus 0 plus 1, that is 0 minus 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Now I will find P of 1, that is we have to put y equal to 1 here. So y equal to 1, that is 1 square minus y 1 plus 1. Now 1 square is 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, cancel, and that is we have answer is 1. Now P of 2 is equal to, substitute y equal to 2, that is 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Now 2 square 4, 4 minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So P of 2 equal to 3. Now second, P of t equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. This polynomial in a t. Here variable is t. We have to find P of 0. So substitute t equal to 0. 2 plus t equal to 0 plus 2 into t equal to 0, that is 0 square, minus t equal to 0, that is 0 cube. Now 2 plus 0 plus, now 0 square 0, 0 into 2 0, minus 0 cube is 0. So here 0 plus 0 minus 0, that is 0, and 2 plus 0, that is 2. So P of 0 equal to 2. Now we find P of 1 equal to 2 plus t equal to 1 plus 2 into t equal to 1, that is 1 square minus 1 raised to 3. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 square is 1, 1 2 ja 2, minus 1 raised to 3, 1. So is equal 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 1 4. Now P of 2. So substitute T equal to 2. So 2 plus T equal to 2 plus 2 into T equal to 2, that is 2 square, minus T equal to 2, 2 raised to 3. So 2 plus 2, 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 2 raised to 3, 8, 8 minus 8 cancel. So 2 plus 2 4. So we have P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for this polynomial. Now in question number 2, third and fourth are homework. Now question number 3, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. That is, we have given the polynomial and we have given the value of x. So what we have to verify? Here we have given x, the value of x. We have to put this value in this polynomial, and if P of minus 1 upon 3 equal to 0, so we can say that x equal to minus 1 upon 3 is a 0 of the Px. So first of all, we substitute x equal to minus 1 upon 3 in this polynomial. So P of x equal to minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 into x equal to minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So is equal to 3 cut. So minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, and minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. So P of minus 1 upon 3 equal to 0. So we can say that x equal to minus 1 upon 3 is a 0 of Px. So our answer is, that is P of minus 1 upon 3 is a 0 of Px. Now second question, third question, I have taken third question. P of x equal to x square minus 1, and we have to find that x equal to 1 and minus 1 are 0 of this polynomial or not. So first we put x equal to 1 here. So P of x equal to 1, x equal to 1 is 1 square minus 1 square, that is 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now P of minus 1, that is x equal to minus 1 square minus 1 square minus 1 minus 1 square, that is plus 1 minus 1, that is 0. Therefore here the answer is 0. So we can say that x equal to 1 and minus 1 are zeros of Px. Now fourth question, P of x equal to x plus 1, x minus 2. We have to find that x equal to minus 1 and 2 are zeros of Px or not. So first we put x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 plus 1, x equal to minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 0 into minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus plus 1 plus 2 3, but the sign is minus. And 0 into something, that is 0. So we can say minus 1 is a 0 of px. Now we put x equal to 2. X equal to 2. 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Into 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into 3, 0. That is, we can say that these are zeros of the polynomial. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 and 2 are zeros of px. Now, p of x equal to 3x square minus 1, x equal to minus 1 upon root 3, 2 by root 3. So, we have to verify that this value of x are zeros of px or not. So, we substitute x equal to minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 into substitute x equal to minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square minus 1 equal to, now minus 1 upon root 3 square, minus 1 square, that is plus 1, root 3 square, that is root 3 into root 3, and root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 into root 3, that is 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3 into a upon b whole square. A upon b whole square, that is a square. Minus 1 square, that is plus 1. Root 3 square, that is root 3 into root 3, that is 3. Minus 1. 3 3 cut. That is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So we can say that p of minus 1 by root 3 is a 0. Similarly, you can find x equal to 2 by root 3 is a 0 of px or not. Now, question number 4, exercise 2.2, find the zeros of the polynomial. Here first is px equal to x plus 5. So to find the zeros, first of all we have to take px equal to 0. Let px equal to 0. To find the zeros, first we have to take px equal to 0. Therefore, now px, that is x plus 5. X plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, x taking plus 5 right hand side, so x equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 is a 0 of px, or we can say that it is the root of px. X equal to minus 5 is a 0 of px. Now, our next third, I will take third, p of x equal to 2x plus 5. So, let p of x equal to 0. P of x, that is 2x plus 5. Therefore, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Taking 5 right hand side, it becomes minus, that is 2 of x equal to, taking 5 right hand side becomes minus 2x equal to minus 5. Now here 2 is multiply with x. So if we are taking right hand side, so it comes into denominator. Therefore, x equal to minus 5 divided by 2. Is a 0 of px. Now Fifth question, p of x equal to 3x. We are taking let p of x equal to 0. That is p of x, that is 3x equal to 0. And it means if we are taking 3 in the right hand side, it comes into denominator. Therefore, x equal to 0 divided by 3. So, x equal to 0 by 3, that is x is equal to 0 by 3, that is 0. So, x equal to 0 is a 0 of px. Now, p of x cx plus d. So, let p of x equal to 0. Therefore, p of x, that is cx plus d equal to 0. Now, taking d right hand side, therefore, c of x equal to, taking d right hand side becomes minus. Therefore, x equal to, taking c in this side, here it is in multiplication. So, when we are taking in right hand side, it comes into division, that is minus d upon c. Therefore, x equal to minus d upon c is a 0 of px. Is a 0 of px. So, here our exercise 2.2 is completed and the remaining sum are homework.